Okay, so I'm back. I've played with these long enough. I have a really good feel for how these would fit into my everyday life. I think that XReal is a fantastic innovation company to build some glasses like these, AR glasses, at the affordable prices that they have them at right now. It just blows my mind. When you compare these to the Apple VR headsets, yeah, they are far more immersive, the VR headsets. But you think about VR. Think about VR for a second. You have these large goggles over your face, and it's great for when you're at home or if you're in an environment that is conducive to something like that. But if you're trying to take these, like this channel is all about travel and go. Portability, minimize as much stuff that you can carry. Also, keeping yourself healthy. So the reason why I mention health is because we're so used to carrying our devices, our phones and tablets and everything, even computers, and you're always looking down. So when you're looking down, you have this angle on the back of your neck and you get what's called tech neck. It can be very painful for some people. Some people try to avoid that, and like me, which is to get something like these where you can wear these comfortably at whatever angle you want to sit at, have your neck postured however you like. Just look at how they look on me right now, so it's really minimal, super light. The pillows on my nose that they have are just, I feel like I could wear these for hours. Okay. So imagine me in a plane ride, just kind of sitting back, watching my, movies or a TV show or playing a game on my ROG Ally. As I demonstrated earlier, it just, the projectors that pop up on here just are amazing. Taking them off quickly, you can fold them away and just roll them up and pack them into your small portable case. And it's just like a smooth faux leather type of material. It's just a small pill shape, fits right into your bag, no problem. And then the inside has this soft felt that's inside to protect the glasses and everything. And if you want that optimum like covering of your transparency, because these glasses have 3 levels of transparency, and there's just a button that you push. You push the button once, you can have full transparency. You push it twice, you have slight transparency. You push it again, it'll black it out as much as possible, so all you can see visually is the screen. And if you want the ultimate darkness and no transparency at all, you can put these on as well. It's just a cover over the front of your glasses. But in my testing, I didn't even really need these. I was in a bright room and I tried these with the transparency levels, and it worked out really well. So no problem there. Another thing that I liked about it too is they don't automatically stay on and running. They only turn on when you have something up close to that proximity sensor there. So obviously it's for when you put it on your face. The proximity sensor will sense that it's being used, and it will turn on the projectors in each lens. And I had a really great smooth experience with that. No issues whatsoever. And what I did like and I did use is the ratcheting system. So there's different levels. I think it's like 2 different ratcheting levels that you can use, and it angles the screen for you for your comfort. Now, if I had to, overall, before I get into the negatives, overall, if I had to give these a rating from 1 to 10, I would give these a solid 7, which is amazing for my type of ratings. The reason why I did not give it higher, these would have made it to a 9, in my opinion, 9 out of 10. The only reason why is because when you put these glasses on, okay, they're very comfortable, all right, and there's only one cable that you need to connect to your device to watch and project out of. The only problem is when I'm visually looking at the screen with these glasses on, I immediately became a little bit motion sick when I turned my head to the left or to the right, up or down, or any various position, even if I slightly wiggle or move, because the screen is static to my head movement. So, for example, the screen is my hand, because it's really hard to show you what I'm seeing. But trust me, the visuals on these glasses are amazing for 1080p. You have to trust me on that. Now, back to explaining. So the screen is sitting right in front of me, right? If I turn my head to the left or right, the screen does exactly this. It moves with me, just like this. As I turn, the screen turns immediately. There's a problem with that. The problem is if the screen moves immediately with you, most people out there are going to get motion sick or some type of headache or eye strain, because your head naturally moves, but your eyes need that smooth transition of movement for a screen in front of you. So what is needed to be done is to track your eyes slowly. So if I move to the left, the screen needs to track as such. So I turn, screen turns. I turn, screen turns. Not the way it is now where I turn, the screen turns immediately. Okay. I'm only explaining this in depth because you're spending a lot of money here for this product, and I want you to know what you're getting before you purchase. And I do advise you go out and you purchase these, try them out for yourself, because not everybody's going to have these same issues that I have, but I just want you to have a visual of what I'm seeing here. So what I would like to happen is, without the additional device that they sell with this, that will fix that problem and create a smooth movement for you. I like the simplicity of one device, right? So I want one device with this simple cord, and if they can pack the technology inside of these inside of these glasses, to be able to smoothly track your turn, these would be a 9 out of 10 for me. So, but as it stands, you would have to purchase that additional device. I'll show a picture of what it looks like, and I'll put links in the description for all of the stuff you see here, including that device, in case it works out for you. But for me, I don't want the additional device, because my situation, I'm not able to incorporate all these items for my travel. It's just one extra device that I'm not willing to carry for my particular situation. I do have friends out there that it will work perfect for. They would just purchase that one extra additional device, and I'm jealous because now they have a full-fledged large screen in front of them with these glasses, rather than looking at a small image on their phone or handheld device. And it's immaculate. So kudos to you if that works for you. But for me, in the meantime, I wish that it was actually incorporated into the glasses. Now, the speakers on here. The speakers on here are great, right? The speakers on here, I give a 9 out of 10. Fully recommend. The only reason why is because they don't have a lot of bass in here, and I'm a bass hitter. I like a lot of bass, but these glasses have really good speakers on them. What else on here? So if you look at them, I mean, they look really good. Like, it's minimal, it's small. You could be on the plane, have these on, watch any type of media to your heart's content, fall asleep, watch whatever you want. People won't even be able to know what you're looking at, instead of having your stuff out and people see you watching. I don't know what kind of private stuff you like to watch, but it's all yours. Like, you don't have to feel like other people are looking at your screen. So these are definitely something I do recommend. XReal, I have to say, this is a very innovative company, and I think they are really, really onto something. These current glasses in its current form, I believe, are consumer ready. I think it's ready for you all to go out there, try it out for yourselves. And the next product that they come out with, hopefully they have the motion tracking of the screen built into these. So XReal, good job. I recommend it to all my viewers. Try it out. If you don't like it, return it. What more can I say? Thanks for watching.